Hello, my name is Kyler. I'm General Manager here at Butterbuck Car Wash. Today I'm going to show you how to do a pressure bender rebuild. So what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. So come up top here, take this off the top. Sometimes this is a pretty small groove in there, so it's kind of hard to get out, but just kind of press down on it is what I do, but just make sure you're being careful. All the parts in here are kind of fragile. Get that loose. Okay, make sure you're holding this because there's a spring under here. So if you're working on it while it's actually attached to all the tubing and everything, you will have everything pop up. Also, before you start anything, it's my bad, you want to turn this ball valve this way, otherwise water is going to splash you in the face. Just going to come off this really gently. Set this together to the side. Take this little hook, these little hooks off. Try to keep some of the parts together if you can. And then there's going to be 3 more screws in here. Take those all off. Now, you're gonna lift this part enough so you can get some clearance to move the stem out from under it. Okay. So you're gonna make sure, take a look at this here. Make sure this is cleaned off. This is pretty clean. It looks good under here. So here you have plunger, piston, and then spring, stem. So you take your rebuild kit. This one doesn't need a rebuild kit. This is a good one, but I'm showing this for video purposes. So you take this, put this spring back in here. Take this, put flat side down. Then I'm gonna do it one of 2 ways. You can put this on here first, or you could put it on under and then do it, but I found the best way to do this where it stays on a little more solid is this way. Now take your stem and you're gonna go under here. It's kind of tricky to get in, especially when it's attached to everything here. So we're just gonna try to do your best to work it in. It's much easier to do a rebuild when it's like this than it is to actually do it. It's attached to everything. So the plunger in there, secure, valve stem in there. This shouldn't really be moving at all, so this is good. Take your screws, start putting those back in there. It's a fairly simple rebuild. What makes it difficult is just the fact that when you have it attached to everything, it makes it a little more hard. But remember to turn that ball valve in the beginning and you're gonna save yourself all kinds of trouble.